For our second function, we chose chatting, and once we press chats on our bottom navigation menu, it should bring us to this page called My Chats, where it displays your chats and various other functions that you can do. Let's starting with the top. We have button invites and a button called create group. If you were to click on invites, it will take us to a page that says invitation, and what this page is a page where you will be notified and be able to see what invites you have for group chats from your people and from the people you have matched with. So over here, for instance, we have a gaming and football invite. So over here, we can either accept or decline these with these two options. Let's try accepting gaming. And when we press that, it gives us a toast saying we accepted the invite. Likewise for football, let's try declining, and it says declined invite. Another button here is a back button, which takes us back to the main page called My Chats. Next is the create group button. Once we press on this, what this allows us to do is create our own group chat that we want to have with our people that we have matched with. Over here, we can give it a name. Let's call it sports. And next, it says send invitation to join from the list of people you have matched with. Over here, it will display the list of everyone that we have matched with and are currently matched with. And over here, it gives us two options of Alex Ron and Morgan Freeman, who we have matched in the sample. So over here, we can try selecting both of these, or we can select one or the other or neither. When we try creating this group without selecting anyone to invite, it gives us a toast saying please select someone to invite. So once we select, suppose anyone, one or both of them, we can create this group. And the idea behind this is that once we create and someone accepts an invitation, likewise as we did earlier, it should show up here as a group chat, similarly to this individual chat we have with this person called Alex Ron and Morgan Freeman. Next up is the individual chats. So for these here, we can see for both of these, we have their profile pictures, their names, as well as a sentence here, which is basically our last chat message with them, either from them or us. So for example, if we click chat for Alex Ron here, it brings us to this page of our chat with Alex Ron. We have various options, likewise similarly to previous ones, a back button on the top left showing their name and profile picture, a more options button, call, video, and showing our chat with them. Over here we can see this is the message we sent, their reply, and likewise nothing else afterwards. Over here at the bottom, we can click on this to send a message. Suppose we say, I like chocolate. We can click send on this. We can press this button saying send, and it will send our message over here, showing up on the chat. Next, going into more options. Over here, it shows us various relevant information regarding this person we have matched. For example, it shows our interest in common, which are hiking and gaming. It shows distance away from you, which is they're 30 kilometers away from our location. And some extra choices buttons that we can press saying unmatch, report, and block. So with these, you can basically unmatch this person or report them or block them. All three of these will basically give a toast once we have pressed them, similarly to the invites one and the create group one. So let's try pressing block here. It gives us a toast saying block the Alex Ron, and it will come back to the main page. Similarly, if we try pressing on the Morgan Freeman chat, it's very similar to the Alex Ron one. We can say something here saying hello, for example, and send. It will show up there. We can press more options, and over here we can this time try unmatching with this person. And once we click unmatch, similarly it says unmatched with Morgan Freeman, and this person is removed from your chat.